Welcome back to another makeup tutorial using the Maybelline Soda Pop palette. Today is my own creation and we're calling it Soda Fizz because it's using Soda Fizz in the palette. One of the most beautiful shades in the palette in my opinion. It's so beautiful. I don't know why it wasn't used or incorporated in the looks on the back, but today we're going to use it. So we're going to prime our eyelids, we're going to use powder to catch fallout. We're using a secondary base today, Maybelline Color Tattoo in Creamy Beige. And yes, that's going to be our secondary base. So why apply this, guys? Who's been watching Making a Murderer Part 2? Me? Just me? Probably not. How many of you guys think they are innocent? I totally think they're innocent. And I just cannot believe, now I'm not all the way through it, but I cannot believe what they're doing to poor Brandon. Like, telling him he's getting out, then he don't get out, telling him he's getting out, then he don't get out. I don't know, that's as far as I made it. And all the stuff that Kathleen is going through and doing all the tests and, you know, trying to free Avery as well. It's like, oh my goodness, like, I think that they were totally, like, completely framed. And yes, I believe they're innocent. I watched so many murder shows to think that they're innocent. Anyways, we applied Soda Fizz all over their lid, and then applying the cherry on top to my crease, and I'm just working that well in there. Mommy. Another show, since we're just, you know, putting that in the crease, is The Walking Dead. So what do you think about the season so far? I'm actually only 2 episodes in, and I think there is about, oh my goodness, I think there is 5 out now. Yes, by the time you see this weekend, there will be 5 this Sunday episodes out. And I've only watched 2 of them, so no spoilers. But I am terribly sad that it is Rick's last season and Maggie's. Yes. Yeah, that's just, so saddening to me. And we just applied a highlight. We're just meshing the colors together, blending, blending, blending. We're taking tonic and applying that to the center of the lid, just to highlight that area, bring more light there. Wiping away fallout, and we're going to be picking up Crushing and applying that to the lower lash line as well as Blue Raspberry. And we're going to apply tonic in the inner corner as well and blend that with the lash line. What did your children be or go as for Halloween? Connor had a skeleton costume which he wore to the church's trunk or treat, and he also had the killer bear. That one was mainly just to, you know, playing at home. He's likes the weirdest stuff. He's not scared of anything, so he found that rather amusing, the killer bear costume. And yes, he got plenty of candy at the church, so he didn't actually go out on the 31st or 30th that they had it here. But he had a blast either way, and he just looks so cute in his skeleton outfit. And I tightline and did a nude waterline. Did lashes, and for lips we're using Amuse's matte lipstick in Blushing, Creamy Matte, and we're going to set our makeup. And that's the look. It's completely finished, done. I love how it turned out. It's very beautiful and colorful. And I hope you guys enjoyed it too, found the video helpful. Try to look out for yourself. Stay tuned for more makeup tutorials. There will be more coming with the Soda Pop palette, so stay tuned. And thank you guys always for watching.